Good evening and welcome to my end of the week recap video here for the S&P 500. Thursday and Friday, no new trades were taken. I did have a couple of notes on here, one to add above this 272.5 break. It did break above but failed and started to roll back through, possibly going to void out this flag pattern from the daily time frame. I'll go here to the 30-minute. My trade plan, looking for a move above that 272.5 level or support down here at 21 EMA, this yellow line, or support here at the 50 SMA. I have over here the weekly time frame just to illustrate that price action has now broken above, closed above, and potentially retested a most immediate resistance level, which is significant in my opinion. It prevented the 8 and 21 from having a bearish cross on a weekly time frame. This last week was a nice bullish candle. As long as we hold above this peak right here of 271.30, should be okay for the bulls and look for a much higher move. Now onto the daily time frame. That 270 to 271.30 level is going to be very important for me simply because it's that peak. It's also going to be what I consider the retest of this W pattern for some buyers to go ahead and get in on a potential retest of a pattern. Now on the daily chart, a lot of lines come into play here. Most immediate trend resistance here has been broken. We're now consolidating, chopping above. Volume is dwindling. The only reason this one spikes up is price action did gap down, touched the 8 EMA, found a significant amount of support here, especially on the close of the day, pushed it up higher, and simply created a flag. So we'll see what happens. This flag, in my opinion, is still going to be valid unless there is a close below this lower area of about 269 at the moment. I would say a close on the hourly basis without reclaiming it will avoid that flag. I'll remove those lines and look for another support. Measure move for this flag, if it does occur, is to about 285, 286 area, which does test the previous all-time highs over here. Pattern, the W pattern that I'm looking for has a measure move up to around 293, 295. There is a lot of call activity that's coming into the SP 500 as well as put activity. So just gonna have to be careful, pick my spots, obey my trade plan, and limit my risk to the downside. I am going to stay bullish for the time being. For now, this will be my trade plan on Monday. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Have a good weekend and good luck.